blind bags. Tapos nandito, papakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung mga nagawa kong blind bag. Ito nga pala, yung Boba blind bag. Ito yung YouTube blind bag. Nutella blind bag. Toca Boca blind bag. Cinnamoroll blind bag. And Kuromi blind bag. So now, I unboxing one of blind bag. Guys, ang Nutella blind bag ang ating i-unbox for today. Okay, kunin natin yung cutter. Get a cutter. Okay, guys, let's unbox the Nutella blind bag. My God. Ayan, yung yugat, guys. And you got rare or common. 2 pieces. Pieces yung laman niya. You got. I will first open this. Yung yugat, guys. Open na natin. Oh my God! Rare, guys, yung nakuha natin. I mean common pala, guys. Ang cute niya, guys. Squishy din siya, guys. Ang cute! So cutie! Oh my God! Next na natin itong pinaka-blind bag. Oh my God! So cute too. Nutella. I love Nutella, guys. Yes. Oh my God, so cute. I'm successful with this. Okay, but guys, bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you for watching.